with the doors unlocked.
Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a
So yes, peeps, just reach home. Home, sweet home. Just reach home. Yes, Grand Cayman. This is my backyard as usual. So if it's the first time watching the channel, welcome to the channel. Fire Triple 7. Yeah. And and if, as I said, if it's the first time tuning into the channel, welcome. Let me introduce you to my neighbors. Hello, my neighbors! My neighbors are over the peeps. They are the most peaceful neighbors. They don't curse, they don't play loud music, and nothing like that. Peeps. See them over there, so? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just see them more, but try to want to see more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's roughly about 5 of them peeps. That's one of them climbing the coconut tree, like he's going to pick a coconut. See him there? Like going to pick a coconut, see my coconut tree, peeps. Yo! Pick one for me! The peeps, then climb. See. Like you might get too fat and never eat too much. That give him a hard time to climb and see 2 more than a tree, up at the top of the tree. Right, then don't pick. Then don't drink for them coconut already, see them there. Oh, 2 or 3 more peeps. Yeah, I'm a neighbor them. I allot it. I them pick coconut. Look at them pick coconut. You go on to them. Yeah, let them pick coconut. So I ask them for one. Yeah. Yes. There's one up on a limb there. Oh, yes, one here. Breathe a little one, you know? Then it's a full giant. So yes, peeps, this is my backyard. Breeze a blow hard and kinda later on. I can't have to take out the drone and I'm gonna fly and show you for those who wanna see it. So now watch some video, watch some other video I have showing you how my backyard stay. This is the lake behind my backyard. And when the water come up, it go all the way up to the coconut tree root. You go up to it and cover the little piece down and see the grass. Yeah, cover all of that up. But apparently the water is very low now if you look. Yeah. And the water already come up all the way to this step. But we have to get all the rain. So anyway, peeps, right about now, I do something I do for a good while now. Yeah. See? Gas dust come like a while. Just get the gas like a while. Yeah. Gas man. Just as I drive in, I come right in time for the gas man. Yeah, so I left this and go up on the road, look how I come back now. The other day I roast this, so this is the rest of it. Because I don't know why, for some reason I can't get no snapper from what there. So this is Barracuda. So the big peeps. Yeah. This Barracuda, this is a piece of, and this is a piece of tail. So I'm gonna slice them up now in frying size and season it up. But first, I'll cut up the season. I'm gonna escabeche it, and this is what I'm gonna do. Fry some breadfruit. So I have some breadfruit. One spoil, because this is too soft, so I'm gonna end up throwing that one here. Yeah, this is completely soft. You can bake here and sit something, but no time for that now. So I'm gonna dash away. Yeah, that's a rotten, that's not rubbish. So you throw this out, that is not rubbish, that is going to rotten. And this is half, that I boil and leave. So I'm going to fry them. And I got me some carrot and some seasoning. Some real Jamaican season, peeps, all Jamaican tree. One says spur tree and this one says a spur tree. It was my spur tree. But I even realize I told my spur tree. Just buy one and I have one for the other day. Yeah, I have a Maggi pumpkin noodle to give me flavor. And I have me some sweet pepper, aka bell pepper. Or bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. I have some hot pepper. I have onion. And I have my simple natural coconut oil and I have some vinegar. So that is it, people. Stick and stay. I get the thing. Kick off the ball now. Yeah. I'm all hungry, but tomorrow I'm going to give you. I have bread can give you. I can't do that right now. Yeah. But tomorrow I'm giving you bread. Yeah, so I fall them there. Tomorrow I'm giving you bread. Some bread can get in. But I'm cooking now because I'm hungry. My head feel a little bit light, so I'm going to eat something. So anyway, stick and stay. Don't go down on fire. Hold on. So yes, peeps, it's time to cut up the fish. So I'm going to cut up the fish. Yeah. Cut up them barra, you know, in a frying size. And I'm sure I can see everything will go on. Yeah. Cut it in frying size. Yeah, no itching this. Yeah, Maria. Messy. Oh. Okay, so I'm clean up it. Let me clean it up. Make it feel like it also. Yeah, so this is my barra that I'm going to fry this with some fried breadfruit. Yeah. So just reach one and then we turn quick and fast. No itching this. Cleaning this, quick and stay. Yeah. As we cut up them fish, yeah? Yeah, so I'm gonna
Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose. Cut me loose. I can't get you.
So yes, peeps, now I'm about to season up the fish. Yeah, so let's do it now. Quick and fast, peeps. Quick and fast. The music has sound too loud. Can I hear it over my voice? Yeah. And I'm using my GoPro because my mic damaged already and the adapter I'm gonna get it. So anyway, peeps, this is how I'm doing it now. Still sound like a bit too loud. Yeah. So this is my Maggi. Yeah, my great spunky noodle. One Maggi. My great spunky noodle. So what I use the noodle up there, the seasoning for it, because I love the flavor what it gives. Yeah. So I use it like that. And then I throw away this. I throw away that. And then I got me some Jamaican season, and the one that says Spur Tree Jerk Season. Spur Tree Jerk Season, free advertisement for now. Yeah. Oh, let me see the difference. Because two of them, the one that's a jerk season, it's with sea salt. So what takes you know. Yeah, I'm gonna say with sea salt and this is what? This is what? Okay, so apparently I have two different ones. Anyhow, jerk season. I guess I'm gonna have like a pepper in it. When I'm more hot. But anyhow, I'll be come fast, and I need to come. You don't know what I do when I cook. But season it up, peeps. So let's get it on. Let's get it on. So that. Shooks. Yes, peeps, so that is it. I need more than that. That is it, man. I mess up everything now, peeps. I'm messing up everything. That, figure that. Yeah. So I'm going to season for my hand now, peeps. Unless I go use a spoon. Even though nothing on the pan is to cut me, I'm going to cut off the fin them off it. Smells good already. Smell good. Smell good, peeps. Showing it for me to cover it up, see it now, babes? See there, so look? Yeah. That is it. Figure that? Yeah. Cover that up. That there, so. So now, I put up the seasoning. That is that, babes. So now, I'm going to season a little now. I'll do the easier one. I'll peel the breadfruit. Because this is breadfruit, I'm going to fry them. So, no salt now for up on them breadfruit here. Some people put salt on it when I need no salt on it. I don't need no salt on it. No salt on it, please. I need no salt on it. So apparently that's got a bee's bite or bee sting, as we would call it. So I'm going to cut it up in small pieces, frying size. And peeps, if you're not a professional, I wouldn't advise you to put it in your hand and cut it. Use a cutting board when you're cutting it, because you could lose some fingers. You have to be a professional like me. Yeah. And because you're gonna fry it, you don't need it to be thick. You cut them thin. So, that is it, peeps. I just have some bees sting on it, so I'm cut out the bee sting. And normally the bees sting up it tastes bitter. It tastes bitter. It's not too thick. Like that. Then one more leaf, peeps. And this is a yellow heart, peeps. See the yellow heart. So this is a nice if you're doing roast. And it turned too, so it's gonna be sweet. So I tell you, so I don't need no salt. Yeah, better things fresh more than the salt. Yeah, and this was getting real ripe. But I'm still gonna use it. Make the best of it, see me. Yeah. I'm gonna make the best of it. Yeah. So, yes, peeps. Some work in the kitchen, quick and fast. itching. Cause Mr. Peeps, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything substantial from morning and I get up very early. So I can't get fat in a peeps because sometimes I eat 1 time a day, sometimes 2 times a day. Not that I'm starving myself, but yeah, broke myself that way. Yeah. So cut it in small slices. Easy to fry. Because I fry and I boil it. Yeah. I think this oil is good enough. If you're not good enough, beg Steve to buy one. I can't bother go back. But I really need a coconut oil from a local coconut oil that is made from local coconut on the island. But I have to wait until I go to farmer's market. Then I get that. You know, expensive. It's roughly about $25 or a little more for a buckle of it. Good size buckle, like a rum buckle in Jamaica. Yes, so that is it. Alright. That is it. So my breadfruit there. Cut up. Yeah. So I'm gonna have everything ready. Breadfruit cut up. And there so. Yes, start this side there now. Eat that. And now, time to put up the seasoning. Put up seasoning, putting on this now, peeps. So, I got onion, and I got sweet pepper, 2 carrots, and 2 hot pepper. And 2 other hot pepper there. Oh, we got 1 more pepper, 1 green one and 1 rice one. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut up the hot pepper then first. Cut up the hot pepper first, babe. So I'm gonna cut it up big. I'll just see there now too. So that must taste nice. But then pepper, yeah, not really that hot, you know. You don't put too much of the seed in it because it might be extremely hot. Sit pepper down, 1 to go. And this pepper will cause accident if accident happen. You know, if you're not accident, go into the bathroom to the number 1. And forgot to say this pepper in your hand. Yes, I know everybody put sweet pepper in them Esco Beach fish, but I like it in it. I like it in it. And this is local sweet pepper. This is not the imported one. This is the local one. Made in Cayman. This is the one that I prefer. So sweet pepper is little. The imported sweet pepper is extremely big. They're extremely big. But I rather the smaller one. What I say? Made in Cayman. Not imported. Peeps, tell me, you say carrot is genetically modified. Carrot was not here a couple centuries ago. Is that true? I've been hearing it for a while now. Comment and tell me below if it's true. Carrot is genetically modified. Tell me in the comment section, peeps. Yeah, so I like all the season when I have Esco Beach fish. I like to see it all over my fish. Just look nice. Nice. Chips, yeah. The carrot. Yeah, carrot not really have to. Carrot not have to peel. Carrot can just scrape. Carrot can just scrape. Yes, people, it's a carrot is genetically modified. Is that true? I know your bright subscribers can tell me that is true. Yes, and some in the kitchen, my hand go my hand quick and fast. Very fast. Yes, peeps. Then your peeps stick and stay.
I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove.
Yes, peeps. Finish cutting up my season now. So pretty. Yeah. That is it. So now I have everything ready now. So I clean off about this and then we start the cooking. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps. So by the time this to cook, then fish them fry ready. Already. It's all cool before I fish them ready still. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. We're there in the kitchen. Now I put my chicken. Just don't go nowhere. Stick and stay. Let's eat that, peeps. Breadfruit over here, so. As I said, some people would put it in salt water, but I don't need for them to put it in salt water. I fry it same way because some of them already half ripe. Yeah. So I'm just deal with it like that, peeps. So that is it, peeps. Stick and stay. So what time it is? It's like 5:52. Yeah, 5:51, and it's almost dark already. Yeah, in the Caribbean. So then time is stay. So make it sure I go and fish pot, peeps. See that, peeps? As I go in here to flash up to go on for me. Alright, see? That's the color I want. Golden brown. Yeah. Golden brown. So even when you look about fish, peeps, even brown stew fish, this is what you do, you fry it. No need to put no brown in, no artificial brown in. You make your thing fry. Yeah. No artificial browning. Anyway, this is escabeche, it's not brown stew. So stick and stay and down in one fire, hold the fire. Yes, peeps, we are about to take out the first set of fish now. Yeah. Yeah, I want to eat that boy in the extreme watch. Eat that boy in the extreme and then I came and watch and tell me say how my fish them burn up. Eat that boy extreme, I can cook. You can cook. You want to eat that boy in the extreme, you can't even cook. This is how fish them brown, not burn up, brown. Eat that boy extreme, I can cook. Anyway, big up yourself. I'm going around to cook. You won't tell me say fish them burn up. You know the boy there's some raw fish you look out, you know. Extreme, big up yourself, go around to cook. Boy, you watch my video and tell me say fish them burn up. Yeah, but this can take off now, peeps. Okay, now this is a carrot sitting. You know this. Yeah. Peeps. Pepper night hot. Pepper night. Pepper night my peeps, but some like it. So I have a hot back, and then we throw a crate of fish in there. Then fry off the fish. Holy smoke! I want to splash far here. See thing when you have fried barracuda, I don't know why. It's always I pop the oil a little bit so far. Anyway, I rather fish bun more than bun. But we can run some bun still. You get nice, eh? Bun is a must, you know, like. Even though some people choose to give bun still, I don't give bun. Have I ever gotten bun? Yeah. I was in Easter. But that's another story. See the peeps? See the fish there? Yes, peeps. And over here, so this ready. So now I make it go and cool off a bit. And then we throw some pan of fish and throw the rest. So look peeps. Rich! That is it. And see fish over here. So boy extreme, I can fry fish. Boy I tell me say fish them burn up. So you see it and fish look burn up. Eat that boy extreme. Eat that boy extreme I can cook. Eat that boy extreme I can cook. So you call up a name, you get big call up from each other. Yummy. And up you? Stick on to it. No me right now. Like I'm done. I wash up here right now. So we minimize the stuff that I may have to deal with when I'm done cook. Wash up this. Get that away. Then wash that one there. Yeah. This is how I cook it. Anyway, please. Stick and stay and don't go nowhere. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do. Do what you love. And do it. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. And if you do something you don't love, find a way to get away from that. If whatever you're doing, you're just doing it to survive, that's not safe. It's going to affect you mentally and physically to sometimes. So anyway, people, stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps, taking out the rest of the fish. The last of the fish. And now, I'll fry the breadfruit. Yes, I'm gonna fry the breadfruit. The oil is clean, same way. And because it's my one, that's why I'm frying it in the same oil. I was frying the visitors or stuff. I use a different oil. But I'm doing it for myself, so I'm using the same oil. See there? Yeah. That is it, peeps. There, you know? Peeps. That's how cool it is. The peeps, breadfruit them are frying. Yeah, so dinner will be served shortly. Yeah. Dinner will be served shortly. Oh. So now piece me and throw the rest of the vegetable on the fish. Carrot and stuff. Like this. Yeah. Oh God. This is hot, peeps. At the same time, you don't want the breadfruit to burn. So in the kitchen you have to multitask. You have to move your hand quick and fast, see. So you know burn up where you cook. If you can move your hand fast. But once you neglect something, something will be burnt. Or get burnt. Yeah. Sitting we burn up. As we are saying in Jamaica. Same thing we burn up. Sitting I go burn. So that is it, peeps. So, show the rest of the veggies. Look at this now. Show wide? Yeah. That yet? What is it, peeps? That's a code. Look at that. That mad. Yes, stick and stairs. Looks like some of them breadfruit that can come out now. See if some of them ready. Because as I'm saying, are they already right? Some of them are already right. Yeah. Give a couple more minutes, then take out all of them and put in some fresh ones. Fresh ones, peeps. Yes, peeps. So, as I say, let me taste this. Take out some of them bits. In some fresh ones. Yes, that's a cord. Alright. Stick and stay. I'm gonna get me back when I'm almost done frying. So yes, peeps, it's shearing time. So everything done now. Yeah. Food down now. Same as what we oh, there. Food done, put no peeps. Yeah. So it's shearing time. It's sharing time. Yeah. Oh, oops, pepper is hot. This pepper is so hot, it couldn't be hotter. Pepper is very hot. Very, very hot. Let's mix up what we call them right. Oh no. Yes, peeps. So this is it. And this is my ripe breadfruit, ripe fried breadfruit. You like that song, eh? So you are going now. Listen to some. Oh, the wrong phone.
Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, I wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Big tune.
Yeah.
Pull up selector.
On my way home, standing on the pavement, on the pavement. Yeah. No sleep in my body.
Yeah, that?
Last night got me wasted.
Got me.
Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall out and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah, don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Big tune. Then tune, yeah? YouTube can't do nothing about it because I have a right to play them tune. Yeah? No copyright, not this. YouTube can't copyright them tune. Yeah? Alright. So let's get on with the video. Yes, babes. When the music hits, you feel no pain. Yeah. Say no, babes. See that? Alright. Alright. Nobody cares. Yes, peeps. So if you come to Cayman, I can prepare this for you too. Yeah. Escovitch, Barracuda, breadfruit, fried breadfruit. If you want fried breadfruit or roast breadfruit, fry, anyone you want. It's like I put my foot in this one. And then peeps, see this now? I get a bottle of wine today. Yes, somebody gave me a bottle of wine. So I'm gonna sit now. My fork fell. So I'm gonna sit down, comfortable, watch something on YouTube, and then upload every day. I'm done eat. So you know peeps, thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing, for commenting and subscribing. Big up on yourself. So until next video.
Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. On my way home, starting on the pavement. On the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted. Yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall out and don't get up, no so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Boom.
Wasted youth, wasted love.